Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the React. Okay, React I already attached the React installation basics of all the stuff I have done it. If you're not watching it, you go and have my playlist of React. You will be able to study in my video description. I gave the link of the video React basic stuff. Right, you must learn it. So in this video, I'm going to talk about function and class component, function component and class component. What are the difference and how to create the arrow function, all the things we have discussed about this video, right? So here you can see here in this React folder structure, these all things I have discussed. So how the React works. So here let's see the brief of this one. Okay, so here you can see here this is index.html file. So where's this one? Inside the public folder, you can see here it's a main file. Okay, so this is the root. It's called the root. Where the root is there, you go and have it index.js. Here you can see here the root. It's created. It is a document get element by root. Here this file is called the app. So this file is called the app. It is rendering and called the app. Where's the call app.js? You can see here whatever you written here, it will be displayed out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to talk a little bit. Okay, you have to, as a brief, I'm going to type here h1, type like this, just say. Now your React app is running. I just copy this port, paste it over here. Now this one should be displayed, right? Now I'm going to create the new component. So here create the component, right? We are not doing like this. You have to make the component and call the component, right? So how to do the task I already discussed. Let's see again for the brief. I'm going to create the component as abc.js. This is the component I have created. So simple way to create the component, get the same component, you just copy this one. Function, this is a function component. This is how we have created the function component. Okay, I just copy and paste it, right? This is a function component. This is a very famous nowadays using the function component, right? So here you can see a function name. Open the function and close it. Here you have noticed that if you have some problem with the React, so if you are not formatted the code, there is a problem. So here you have to import this extension, Priest, this one. You just go to here and type here. Here you have type pre pre okay, PRETT, this one, this extension you must install it. This one help you to code format your code. This is help you to format your code. Okay, you must install this one, right? So you right click, you can get this option format document. Here the document will be successfully formatted, right? Perfect, right? That's the thing you have to do it, right? You can see here app start bracket close bracket. Here this one inside here return. So return what you going to return. You have to write return in div tag. Inside the h1 tag you have written this. Okay, so you have to write hello React. Control save. So already running your port. So what happened? So sorry, this component I haven't called it. That's why it doesn't produce the output. Okay, so let's back here. Here I'm going to call this component. How to call the component? Call the component name. Okay, you have to call for the name. Go to the file, which component ABC. ABC. This is a component name. Here you have to give this one as a import ABC from ABC from, you write dot component. What's the component name? ABC. That's it. Save all. Okay, it's working successfully. Now let's go here. Hello React. It's working. Hello React. So here you can see here after write the function, you have to export it. Then only the function will be export outside. Then only it will be work. right? This is a simple function created in React, right? So I'm going to create this is the normal function. We will be able to create the arrow function as well. So arrow function, you have to create, if there's the thing is, so you have to write the extension. This is the ES7, sorry, this one extension, ES7, this one. Here you have to install this snip ES7. Then only this is uninstalled. I already installed it. You have to install them. Okay. Then only this plugin will be work, right? After install them, here ES7 React this one snip. After install them, you go here, select the component. I'm going to create the component test test.js. Okay. So here you have type RA, you can see here RAFCE. This is the arrow function. React how to create the arrow function. Here arrow function. RAFCE. You no need to write anything else. You just click on this one. It's important. You can see here. This is a normal function. This is the arrow function. Okay. So normal function is arrow function. This is how the arrow function works. Now here I'm going to out to this function call it. This test will be displayed. Go to the app.js. Here also you can check. Copy this one, the same thing. This one should be the test. Called test. It won't work. You have to add the namespace over here where your test is there. So you have to write test, import test, component is test. That's it. Now let's save all. Back it. Here test is printed. Perfect. Okay. This is the functions. This is the arrow function. Right? Right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, this is the functions. I'm going to create the class component. Okay. Nowadays the function component is working. Okay. React all the things are component. React has two components, class components and function component. Nowadays we are using most popular component is function component, right? So when React started, they are using class component. So I'll give you how to write this class component as well. So you have to write here any name. Here give your name is example. This is example.js. Write this example.js. So this is our class. You have to create the component, right? So how to create the component over here is you have to start with the letters capital. This is must. This is a React standard, right? So here class component, how to create is class. You have to begin with class. Here what is the name of the component? Example extends component. Right? So here open and close curly bracket. Now here what I'm going to do is inside here we have to write the render, the same thing, render. So open and close it. Don't worry about this formatter. I'll be arrange it. Don't worry. After that we have to write the return. You have to write simple return. You have to write here div hi class. I just write the class component. I just write the things. That's it. This is how you have to write the class component. You have to export it. Export default example. You have to outside. That's it. Now you can see here this is a class component. Now nowadays we are not using the class component. This is how we have to write the class component. Now I'm going to format the code. Right click. You have to format it. Format document. Here it's successfully formatted. It's successfully formatted. Okay, it's successfully formatted. What is this? Oh, copy it, format, right? You can successfully format it. Now what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to run this one. So how to run it? So go to the exam app.js. You have to call it this one as Example. Right here, if you write here, it is automatically imported from here. The class component will be automatically imported. It reside on where, right? Okay, nowadays we are using the function component, right? How to write the function component? This is the simple way. This is the arrow function. This is the simple function we have tried. This is the arrow function. In this video, we have talked about these three things. Sorry, I haven't saved it. That's why it's not produced the output. Here, I class component. Everything works. I hope you guys you understood how to create the class component, function component, and array component. Sorry, arrow component. I hope this video helps you to learn React step by step. Thank